And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're going to have a pepperoni pizza. And I got this frozen crust in a pizza kit that came in with two and some sauce as well. But I actually used just some strained tomato. Like I used this. I put a little bit of that on it. And I bought some pepperoni. And there's two different cheeses. There's old white cheddar and old orange cheddar on here. And I grated it. If you're looking for, instead of buying grated cheese, which would be, I think, is more expensive, just buy the blocks of cheese and grate it yourself. Just a little tip, would be a little bit cheaper, I think. And, you know, it doesn't take much to grate some cheese. And I put a little bit of oregano and, like I said, pepperoni. And the oven is ready, so I'm going to put it in. It says 8 to 10 minutes, so we'll see. And this is what we're going to be having for dinner tonight, so I'll be back to show you when it's cooked. So here it is, the pepperoni pizza, nicely cooked. It smells wonderful in here. So I'm going to slice it up. I also did up, I can show you here, a little thing of carrot sticks and dip here. So we'll have that as well. But like a nice salad would go well with this. So, but this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So my darlings, here's a start to what's for dinner tonight. I have some ground beef in here and carrots and peas and some Worcestershire and some ground pepper. And I did put a little oregano. And I have made some beef brown gravy here. And I've got some potatoes cooking up back there. So can you guess what I'm making? Some shepherd's pie for what's for dinner tonight. So I just added the beef gravy into there. And just to let you know, just being transparent, the gravy I made was just from a packet. It's a brown gravy. I shouldn't say beef gravy, it's brown gravy. So I've got that going. The potatoes are still cooking up because I'm going to have to make mashed potatoes out of those. But I'm going to get a little bit of flour and to put in here to thicken this up. So I don't know if you can see, but hopefully you can, how that thickened a little bit of flour. Just thickened it up. I didn't measure it. I just put a little bit of flour in, stirred it around. And so this is good to go. So I'm going to turn off the heat. So here's my shepherd's pie all ready to go into the oven. Now, I did put a yolk of an egg into the mashed potatoes. I'm not really sure why you do that. If you know, let me know down below. But yeah, this will go into the oven. And then this is what we'll be having for dinner tonight. So, good. Shepherd's pie. For a nice, like, it's kind of a dreary day out there today. So this is nice comfort food. Some shepherd's pie. Oh my darlings, look at it. I just took the shepherd's pie out of the oven. Can you hear that little sizzle? I hope you guys can hear that. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? Well, time to serve it up. I want to wait and get cold. And here it is, plated up, my darlings. Oh my goodness. It's going to get foggy, steamy in here. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. And such a gloomy night. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. I hope you guys are all doing well and being safe. And are safe. And thank you for joining us. Good. So my darlings, we have another what's for dinner tonight. And it's kind of like another casserole. It's a pasta casserole. And I've got it all ready here to go into the oven. I've used macaroni, ground beef, cream cheese, and tomato sauce, and oregano. And then I grated some old cheddar cheese on there on the top. And if just a little tip, if you like to get the top crusty, put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there too. So here it is out of the oven. Oh, and it smells, I wish you could smell It smells wonderful here. Alright, I'll plate it up now. Here it is, my darling. What's for dinner tonight? I'll plate it up. Pasta casserole. Right from the oven. Good. So I made some spaghetti and meatballs. This is actually for lunch, because I had to use up some diced tomatoes can of diced tomatoes that I had open. There was about a half a can. So I made some sauce and some spaghetti, and we had some meatballs to use as well. So it's kind of a hearty lunch, but this is what we're having. Good. So my darlings, here's some chicken drumsticks that I cooked up, and I put butter and Frank's Red Hot sauce on there, and some pepper and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then I made my little special sauce to dip it in. And this is what I'm having for a little bit of a snack. Good. Or I'll let you know how good they are. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. A crock pot meal. A chicken thigh with, I put potatoes in there and the carrots. And then I just kind of mashed the potatoes down. And so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're all having a great night. Thanks for joining us. So here are some of the leftover potatoes that I had in the crock pot with the chicken, and there's a few carrots there. So I'm going to cut these up and then fry them up in the pan here, and I think I'm going to cook up some shrimp to go with it. Here's another lunch, my darlings. But you could have this for dinner, and it would be lovely for dinner to put a nice garden salad with this, and a nice piece of bread with it as well. But this is what I'm having for my lunch today. I had the spaghetti's already been, the pasta was already cooked, so I just cooked up some shrimp and put some garlic butter, tossed in some garlic butter and some little bit of lemon, and parsley, ground pepper, a little bit of Red Lobster seasoning, and there you have it. Good. It's tuna, it's tuna time. Yes, my darlings, I'm making a tuna sandwich. Good. Let me know if you're a fan of tuna or not. I'd love to hear down below. And this is what I'm having for lunch today. I'm so excited. I don't know why. I haven't had tuna in so long, and I'm just so excited to have a tuna sandwich. Woohoo! Yeah. So here it is, my darlings. My tuna sandwich, and I cut up some carrots, and I'm having applesauce. Yes, applesauce and tuna. What a combo. Good. Can't wait to eat this. Hope you're all doing well. Yum, yum, yum. So yes, my darlings, we're back with another What's for Dinner tonight. And as you can see, it's another repeat, as always, my favorite tortellini. And I made a little bit of a garlic bread there. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And it's so easy, but it's so good. So my husband picked up this original female bacon. It's cured boneless pork loin, and it came in here. I forgot to film it, but I did cut it up, so I just wanted to share with you. I cut it into as thin as pieces as I could, and they're like three to a thing, except for there was only two, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's about like maybe 5 meals here, and I'm going to put them in this Dollar Tree Ziploc bag here, and I put the date, or like the month and year on it, and I'll put it in the freezer. So I just wanted to share that with you. You can get one of these and cut it up, but if you have a family, obviously you probably have to cook it, and there are there are instructions on how to cook it, like in the oven and whatnot. But I am only cooking for 2, so this is how I do it to get, you know, our meals out of it, and so we don't waste. So I just wanted to share that. So there, I put it in the Ziploc bag. Now there was another one from our last one, and I just put it in there, and I'll use that up first. But it goes in the freezer like this, all nicely done like that. And if you have one of those, I don't know, freezer lock things, that would be awesome to use. But I don't have one of those, and I think this system works great. So this is what I use. And I just wanted to share with you, these are the Sure Fresh new double zipper seal freezer gallon heavy duty bags that I get from the Dollar Tree. You get 13 bags in there. So my darlings, I ordered myself some lunch today for a little bit of a treat. I ordered from Eastside Mario's. This is my first time ordering from there. That's a Canadian restaurant called Eastside Mario's. It'd kind of be like probably like your Olive Garden, sort of. So I'll show you what I ordered. So I ordered these. I'll have to write on the screen what they're called. Bubba something, Mario's Bubba. They're fried dough with Parmesan cheese and everything. And my order also came with the Caesar salad, and there's all the stuff to put on the Caesar salad. And I think this is the sauce to dip these in. And then I also got an entree. And it's, see, there's the logo, if you can kind of see it, Eastside Mario's. And this is their, I think their newest ravioli. And it's a bolognese ravioli. I'll write it again on the screen. Double stuffed or something like that. So I wanted to try it. And it also comes with a loaf. Their bread, mange. So there's my lunch for today. Good.